In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Pipedrive pipeline in stages. 5 minutes. First, log into your Pipedrive account. Make sure you're in the right company workspace and that you have permission to manage pipelines. If you can't see the pipeline settings later on, your admin may need to grant access. Once you're in, head to the deals area. This is where all your opportunities live. If you're looking at a table or list, switch to the pipeline view. The pipeline view displays your deals as cards moving from left to right, which makes it much easier to visualize progress and spot bottlenecks. Next, open the pipeline dropdown at the top of the page and choose the option to create a new pipeline. This is helpful if you want to separate different sales motions or teams. Give the new pipeline a clear descriptive name, something that reflects the process it will manage, like new business, renewals, or a specific region. Short and specific names make reporting and filtering simpler later on. Now, let's configure the stages. Click the pencil icon next to the pipeline name to edit the stages. You'll see the current layout, and from here you can customize it to reflect your actual sales process. Use the plus icons between existing stages to add new ones where they naturally fit in your flow. When naming stages, use past tense to indicate what has been accomplished as a deal enters that stage. For example, qualified, discovery completed, proposal sent, or contract signed. Past tense stage names make it crystal clear what milestone was reached and reduce confusion when your team is moving deals forward. For each stage, set a win probability. This number represents the likelihood that a deal in that stage will close. Start with conservative estimates and refine them over time as your data matures. Accurate probabilities help with forecasting and capacity planning. Enable routing for each stage by setting the number of days a deal can sit without activity before it's flagged. This automatically highlights deals that need attention, helping you prioritize follow-ups. Consider shorter routing times for early stages and slightly longer ones for contract or legal steps, where delays are common. When you're satisfied with the layout, names, probabilities, and routing settings, click Save Changes. Your pipeline is now ready. From here, you can start adding deals and moving them through each stage, confident that the process mirrors how your team actually sells and that your pipeline will stay healthy and organized.